In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring others into your board with the right level of access so everyone can collaborate smoothly and securely. Start by opening the specific board you want to share. From your Miro dashboard, select the board you're ready to work on. This matters because invitations and permissions apply to the board you're currently viewing, not your entire workspace. Make sure you've got the correct board open before continuing so you don't accidentally share the wrong one. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner and click the share button. This is your control center for collaboration on this board. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the right place, the share panel will show options related to this board's access, confirming you're making changes where you intend to. Next, set the permissions for your invitees. You'll choose whether people can view, comment, or edit. View access is read-only, perfect for stakeholders who just need to look around without making changes. Comment access allows people to leave feedback using comments and sticky notes in comment mode, but not rearrange content. Edit access gives full creative control, great for teammates who will actively build on the board. A good rule of thumb is to grant the least access necessary for the work at hand. You can always adjust these permissions later from the same share menu if needs change. Now you're ready to invite participants. You have two simple options. You can type in their email addresses directly in the invite field, and if you like, include a short message to give context about what you want them to do. Or you can copy the board link and share it through your preferred channel. The link will reflect the permission level you selected, so double check the setting before you send it. Depending on your workspace rules, recipients may need to sign in to Miro to access the board, which helps keep your content protected. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm you're sharing with the right people and at the right level of access. Avoid posting your board link in public places if you don't intend broad access, and remember you can revisit the share button anytime to fine-tune permissions as your project evolves. That's all it takes. Open your board, click share, set the right permissions, and invite participants by email or with a link. You're ready to collaborate efficiently and confidently in Miro.